Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley Lundy here at Guaranty RV, and today I am going to show you a brand new from Newmar 2021 Ventana in the 4037 floor plan. This is one of my favorite floor plans, so I'm really excited to show you this one today. This beautiful coach has the Belmont interior and exterior colors, as well as a nice large outside TV and our two Nova awnings in place of the standard one, so it has some beautiful upgrades. We are going to go ahead and take a look inside. Alright, so as we walk in the coach here, you can see instantly these new color palettes from Newmar. Like I mentioned, this is the Belmont interior colors, and we have this new wood color as well, this glacier glazed maple. It's like an off-white color, looks a little bit distressed. It's absolutely gorgeous and clean in here. You're going to have your front seats that swivel around and they're recliners, as well as this one has the option to have two additional recliners in place of a sofa behind the driver's seat. And with opposing wall slides, you have an actual sofa behind the passenger seat, and behind that is where your TV comes up on that televator. If you have guests over, the sofa also will turn into a bed. And this coach is also an all-electric upgrade. So your refrigerator, your gas stovetop, your heating, everything is electric in this coach. And it does have the upgraded batteries and power capacity to still allow you to go off-grid. As you go further back, you'll notice this one, instead of a more traditional booth, this one has a table and chairs. The table pulls out and there are two additional folding chairs. So when you have guests or if you're traveling with friends or family, everybody's going to have space. You're going to have a large area here that you can all sit and visit and watch TV and eat. And this is actually a bath and a half model as well. So further back across from the refrigerator, you'll find the half bath. Beautiful bowl sink in here. And then you have the master bedroom. This one does come with a king bed, and there's a few different bed options available, but very spacious with these slides, as well as a very spacious rear bathroom. This one is also pre-plumbed for washer and dryer. Sometimes they come with that. This one's all ready to go, and we would be happy to install that for you. We have a lot of space in this one, a lot of storage. It's really bright and open. It's something I would love to show you in person or answer additional questions about. Thank you so much for joining us here at Guaranty RV to take a look at this 2021 Newmar Ventana 4037. Again, my name is Ashley Lundy. If you have any questions about this or our other models here, please don't hesitate to stop on by and ask for me. You can also call or text me anytime. My direct number is 541-337-2387. And again, my name is Ashley here at Guaranty RV. Thank you so much for watching.